What's up, pumpkin people? Today we're expanding the giant pumpkin patch. Let's just stick around and I'm going to show you what we're doing here and how much bigger we're going to be making it. All right, so starting at the giant pumpkin patch here. Existing, we have a 10 by 20 foot area. It's about 200 square feet. And we're going to be expanding these stakes here. So I'm going to be keeping the back line here, moving it out to here, all the way down to there, turning over there, coming back. So we're going to be at a 30 by 30 giant pumpkin patch, 900 square feet. So the first thing I did is dug up this big bush here. It was a little bit bigger than that one, and I transplanted it up in front of the house, so I didn't chop it down. I wanted to reuse it. So we're gonna reuse, took out this post right here at the corner, first corner. There's where other corner it's gonna be. So right there. Coming over here, it's gonna be a little bit bigger here. So first thing I'm gonna do, I took that post out of there and I'm digging a new hole here. We're gonna put it here. We're gonna expand it here 5 feet. We're gonna take up this walkway. Right, day 2 of the giant pumpkin patch extension. So basically we're going to close in this gap. I've added a few sections so far, so slow going, trying to get everything even. Here's a wide angle. This tree will come down, move out this bush, move this bush, move this bush, and we're going to have a split rail run this way, so to that green post right there. So I'm hoping 30 by 30. This is the old patch. This is gonna be the new patch. So, all right, we're at Lowe's and we're getting another little split rail fence here. Need about 15 more of those sections, one of those sections, the extender, 2 corner posts, all in the name of a giant pumpkin. Steady progress out here in the patch. Digging holes, hitting big rocks. We're getting there. All in the name of giant pumpkin growing. It's gonna be a good sized patch. Those rocks though are so annoying. Every hole I've dug, hitting a rock. Post hole digger, I don't know if it would be any easier. So we're getting there. A few more sections and we gotta close to this post here and we'll close it off over there. So update. Just gonna transplant this bush and the shovel snapped. Been working this shovel too hard, I think. Ay. Okay, another update on the giant pumpkin patch expansion. We have just a couple more to add. Got these posts pretty much in. This is the final layout of the giant pumpkin patch 2.0. Just got one more bush to move right there. We'll transplant that one out. But looking pretty good. And then I'll just have to add some fencing along the split rail fence, and that'll be a wrap. And then the next video I'm going to show you soil preparation, how we're going to get the soil in shape for next year. But really happy with it, and hopefully a new personal best coming our way. So we're almost there, the home stretch.